my toe. I'm sneezy and I'm wheezy and I'm stuffy and I don't know what to do. Achoo!
Let's try to solve this problem and find out what's bothering you.
Achoo! Something's making me sneeze. Won't you help me please find out what it is? Take a look at his nose. It's so red it might blow. It already did. Achoo! 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 Could it be Scott?
I sure hope not.
That flower pot! Help that man!
Is it in the air?
Or Mouse's hair! Sneezing everywhere! Achoo! Something's making him sneeze. Won't you help him please find out what it is? Take a look at my nose. It's so red it might blow. It already did. Achoo! 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 Brainstorm, sing a song, one to dance and play. Not today. There's something getting in the way. Brainstorm, sing a song, one to dance and play. Not today. Got to make my sneezes go away.
Oh, boy.
Hey, guys, maybe I got all my sneezes out.
Oh,
Maybe.
I hope
Yeah.
so.
I'll try and fix voicemail again.
Hey guys,
Nina!
what are you doing?
Trying to fix the voicemail machine.
It's broken.
Well, I would love to help, if I can. Uncle Knitnuts is busy working on a new kind of orange juice.
Orange juice? I love orange juice.
He's trying to make it beige.
Beige juice. Wow. How about purple juice? Like my lucky socks. Oh. Oh, man. There it goes again.
Dave's having a hard time fixing the machine because he keeps on sneezing.
And we need to listen to our messages.
To see if we have customers.
Who need our help solving problems.
Wait a minute. This sounds like an
Idea emergency! We need to figure out how to stop Dave sneezing.
So he can fix our voicemail. We need to solve this problem.
And that means we need some good ideas. Let's brainstorm!
We need good ideas and we need them now. So put your heads together and we'll write them down. There's no bad ideas when you're brainstorming. I can count on you and you can count on me to make our ideas a reality. There are no bad ideas.